Snoppa Rover is a revolutionary all-terrain shock-proof cinema dolly that can shoot smoothly on various uneven roads. It has a load capacity up to 15 kilograms and can carry all kinds of cameras such mirrorless, DSLRs, and even cinema cameras. Rover is also equipped with a wireless image transmission module with a very sophisticated and intuitive camera interface, which allows the user to preview the shots and control the camera settings. Snoppa Rover is equipped with a unique and revolutionary active damping system that can eliminate the shakes caused by road bumps during movement and eliminate the speed mutation caused by road obstacles so as to keep running at constant speed. This gives Rover a wider range of terrain adaptability. Each wheel is equipped with an independent hall sensor, acceleration sensor, and a PID controller, which can detect the resistance and speed of the wheel in real time. When encountering obstacles, each wheel can adaptively and dynamically adjust the torque output to ensure constant speed to avoid sudden speed change and shakes caused by the resistance change of the wheel when encountering obstacles. Equipped with an independent steering motor and sensor, each wheel can turn 360 degrees, which enables the Rover to turn in place with zero turning radius, making camera movements extremely flexible. Rover has built-in a Wi-Fi module, wireless image transmission module, and camera control module. The operator can use a tablet or a phone as a wireless console to remotely control Rover's movement and adjust settings. With the integrated camera interfaces, Rover can communicate with various cameras for shooting control. In addition, you can also connect a universal controller through the extension port. How to move the Rover? You can use the dedicated app on mobile devices. You can manually push it and use the dedicated handle controller. It is a very common way to let the Rover move along the preset path by itself. You can set the path by dropping key points. You can manually draw out the entire path line or even push the dolly directly to make a path and save it. Rover supports 3 different framing modes: lock mode, follow mode, and object locking mode. With a moving speed of up to 8 meters per second, Rover is competent for most outdoor high-speed follow-up shots.
Nowadays, there are many ways to carry out stable mobile shooting. Dolly tracks or steady cams. Of course, they all have their pros and cons. Dolly tracks, for example, take hours to set up and they take at least 3 people, which makes your labor cost high. Steady cams, on the other hand, less because it takes 1 person, but you need to have an experienced person operating it. It's super heavy. We have solution to all of those. Say hello to the future stable mobile shooting, the Rover. Rover significantly increases the working efficiency, saves your time and money, and helps achieve the best effect.
The arms are made of high-strength carbon fiber, which is light and durable. The key parts such as the joint of the arms and engine shell are made of high-quality aluminum alloy to effectively ensure long-lasting, reliable operation. Rover adopts a separate battery compartment design and uses replaceable lithium batteries.
Stable footage and flexible movement have always been the basic requirement of high-quality video. At present, the slider, the dolly track, drone, and handheld stabilizers are all good choices. However, all these devices have their own limitations. In order to better meet the demand gap, we further developed the Snoppa Rover, which is a revolutionary cinema dolly that uses the electronic stabilizing technology. From scratch, we have experienced more than 1,000 cycles of design, try and error, repeatedly tested more than 300 customized parts to finally achieve the ultimate professional filming experience, making the professional filming team successfully and easily achieve the desired effects. Rover helps to save more labor costs and achieve the best working efficiency. We believe that it can be a best ground filming assistant.